Hey, what's up everyone, it's me, Gray, and welcome to another travel vlog. So it's been a while since my last vlog. It's been for 6 months. I was really busy and I got a chance now to travel, and it's going to be the first travel vlog for the last 6 months. I'm here right now with on, and we're here at Dayhag Falls, and actually you have to pay like for 20 pesos. It's only really convenient, you know. And yeah, so see you.
Meanwhile,
and right now we are actually at level 4. Medyo stepping daan, but it's good thing right now because it's summer. So during rain season talagang madulas dito. So extra careful with that. And I'm on my way right now to level 5. This is actually the most anticipated part of Dayhag Falls. So I'll see you a bit.
Day 2.
Hey, what's up guys? We are right now. Our next stop is going to Kancanlanog Falls here in Alegria. So it's a walking distance from Alegria. You have to ride a motorcycle going here. It's actually 100 pesos each. And after that, you have to walk at least 15 minutes going there. And it's a little bit tricky here, as you can see. So you have to be careful. Also, you have to bring water, kasi it's a lot, you know, expensive here. So you have to bring your own water. And yeah, so see you in a bit guys.
3 hours later.
Now I'm here at Inambakan Falls, and it's really a long walk here. It's been for like 20 minutes walking. It's actually about level 1 to level 4, and we're actually here right now level 4 at my back right now. So check this out guys.
Meanwhile,
Hey, what's up everyone? So here right now level 1 here at Inambakan Falls. You can see at my back right now is this is the Inambakan Falls. So the question is how to get in here. So from Cebu South, you only have to ride the Tubarili, and it's only for 140 pesos each. If you're going to ride a regular, it will be more expensive. You will be riding an air condition. So, but no worries for guys. But if you're in a budget travel, so you can definitely, you know, stay here because it's only for 50 pesos for entrance fee, including with the life vest. And yeah, you can see here on my back right now.
2 hours later.
Hey guys, I'm here right now taking our lunch with my friends here. We have Charles, Aki, and Carla. So after this, we're gonna have our second falls. This is the Dao Falls. It's gonna be in Sambuan, and we're just gonna take our lunch. So we got here sinugba, and we're simple, lunch. And see you a bit, guys.
Meanwhile,
Hey, what's up guys? We're here right now at Dao Falls here in Sambuan. So from Inambakan Falls, we took a ride going here just like for a few minutes. And you have to pay for 40 pesos for the entrance fee. And of course you will have your guide because we have the rule here, no guide, no entry. So unlike before when I was here 2014, so it's been for 1 hour to take for me to go here do trekking, but well, it's just for 20 minutes. So that's what I'm missing here right now. It's actually like 30 feet, and as you can see on my back right now, so there are only few people here right now. And what is the good thing about is that solo namin yun ang Dao Falls. Okay, see you guys.